Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Fashion Shop. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support, help, understanding. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some exclusive, outstanding, mind-blowing collections only for you. So let me display. Very beautiful, fully designer piece. 9JL1 is saree code. 7500 is saree price. Very beautiful one. Pure handloom, handspun matka with double dyeing sivori. Very exclusive collections, exclusive work also. Same material today I have draped with jamdani work, resham pallu. Very beautiful one. This one is full base part, and this one is contrast color border, and full base part is beautiful double dyeing sivori work. Very exclusive one. Pure handloom, handspun matka, soft, comfortable, feather like soft. Very exclusive one. And this one is pure resham silk with beautiful silver zari weaving, hand weaving jamdani design. Very nice one. Beautiful exclusive looks. This one is pure resham with beautiful jamdani design, and this one is pallu and beautiful beads pom-pom design. Very exclusive one, fully designer piece. This one is full base part. Full base part is pure handloom, handspun matka, premium quality handspun matka with double dyeing sivori work. Very exclusive one. This one is full base part, same material today I have draped, different color, and this one is running blouse piece, contrast color. This one is full base part, and this one is pallu and pure resham jamdani. Very exclusive one. And I will suggest this brocade works, synthetic material, bright shiny brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 7700 for your beautiful, smart, bright looks. Very beautiful one. Beautiful work, silver zari jamdani work. 9JL2 is saree code. 3800 is saree price. Let me open. Very exclusive work. Beautiful color combinations, natural fabric, lien by lien, pure handloom and with beautiful silver zari weaving jamdani design. Very exclusive one. Natural fabric, lien by lien. This one is premium quality silver zari fine border, and full border portions, beautiful temple weaving design, jamdani weaving temple design, fully silver zari jamdani work. And this one is full base part, beautiful buta, silver zari work buta. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one. Highlighted stripes lines with jamdani design, fully hand weaving jamdani, and the full jamdani work is by silver zari. Very exclusive one. Beautiful color, magenta pink shade, silver zari border, and full base part is silver zari buta. Border portion is silver zari temple weaving design. Very beautiful, elegant, smart looks. This one is running blouse piece. This one is full base part, temple weaving design, border, and this one is beautiful pallu, silver zari jamdani work pallu. Beautiful, smart, trendy, exclusive looks. This one is fully hand weaving jamdani design, silver zari jamdani design, pure natural fabric, lien by lien, pure handloom one. And I will suggest this brocade work, contrast blouse piece, bright brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4000 4000 for your beautiful, smart, bright looks. These are also very elegant one, very exclusive collections. Let me open. 9JL3 is saree code. 3900 is saree price. Let me open. Very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lien by lien with 1 inch golden zari border. This one is full base part, beautiful combinations. This one is border, golden zari border, base is natural fabric, lien by lien, golden zari border, and this one is half portions, beautiful, fully hand batik print, brown shade, very exclusive one. And this one is pleat section. Pleat section is beautiful sivori dye. This portion is pleats, sivori dye print, very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece. This one is sivori dye pleat section, and this one is batik, hand batik print. half portion is hand batik print upper portion, and this one is pleats section, shivory dice pleats. And this one is pallu end also very beautiful one, golden zari stripes with beautiful shivory dye print, very exclusive one, patli pallu pattern, very nice one, shivory dye with hand batik print collection, exclusive work, very nice one, beautiful, elegant, smart, trendy looks with 1 inch golden zari border, very smart one. And I will suggest this bouquet work contrast blouse piece, bright contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful elegant looks. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4100 for your exclusive bright beautiful looks. This one also very beautiful one, elegant color combinations, bright and elegant color combinations. 9JL4 is saree code, 5300 is saree price. Let me open. Pure muslin jamdani, fully hand weaving jamdani design, premium quality golden zari border, and this one is full base part. Full base part is pure muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, fine golden zari border, and this one is beautiful jamdani work. Full border portions, very nice one, pure muslin transparent, and this one is jamdani work, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice one with beautiful butta work, pure muslin transparent, and this one is pallu end also very beautiful one. Full base part is pure muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, fully hand weaving jamdani design, very bright beautiful looks, and pallu end is beautiful sequin stripes, very nice one, beautiful color, orange peach shade, golden zari border, full border portion jamdani design, and full base part is jamdani butta multicolor, and pallu is heavy work, jamdani work. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5900 for your exclusive smart bright looks, very trendy one. This one also very exclusive collections, shivory dye, double dye shivory work with jamdani pallu. 9JL5 is saree code, 7500 is saree price, very beautiful elegant color combination, same material today I have draped, pure handloom handspun matka with contrast border, and full base part is double dye shivory work, resham pallu, very beautiful exclusive work. This one is full base part, beautiful double dye shivory work, and this one is contrast color border, premium quality, pure handloom handspun matka, soft comfortable feather like soft, and this one is pallu part, pure resham silk pallu with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design. This one is pure resham with jamdani work, very beautiful exclusive one, and this one is pallu and beautiful beads pom design, very exclusive fully designer work, and this one is full base part, beautiful double dye shivory work, very beautiful elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom handspun matka. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base contrast border, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 7900 for your exclusive bright beautiful smart looks. And also very beautiful elegant one, elegant color combinations. 9JL6 is saree code, 6700 is saree price, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom resham silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, full base part is beautiful work. This one is pure white base with golden zari, premium quality golden zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, very exclusive one, white base. This one is full base part is pure resham with heavy jamdani design, fully hand weaving jamdani, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, and this one is a running blouse piece, white and beautiful golden zari, premium quality golden zari border. And this one is pallu end, beautiful one, golden zari fine stripes pallu. And this one is full base part, very exclusive one, pure resham with hand weaving jamdani design, white with golden zari border, very beautiful, elegant, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this brocade work, synthetic material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6900 for your bright, beautiful, elegant looks. This one also beautiful one, pure resham silk with jamdani design, same material but beautiful color, golden shade, 9JL7 is saree code, 6700 is saree price, very beautiful one, golden base, golden zari border, elegant premium quality resham with resham silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design. This one is full base part, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one is fully beautiful work, hand weaving jamdani work. And this one is full base part, golden base with golden zari, premium quality golden zari border. And this one is full base part, beautiful jamdani work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and pallu in this beautiful one, golden zari fine stripes pallu, pure resham silk with golden zari stripes, fine stripes. And this one is beautiful base, pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, golden shade, golden zari border, very beautiful, exclusive, outstanding party looks. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 7200 for your exclusive, outstanding party looks. This one also very beautiful one, 9JL8 is saree code, 3800 is a saree price, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom resham by tissue by linen weaving. And this one is full base part, beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani design, silver white, off white base, silver zari border. And this one is base part, beautiful tissue silk with linen weaving. And this one is border, multi-color temple weaving design border. And this one is beautiful multi-color butta jamdani butta, full base part, and base part is tissue silk by linen weaving, silver zari border. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani design, very bright color weaving jamdani design. And this one is full base part, beautiful one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, natural fabric linen with tissue weaving. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, very nice one with multicolor weaving, jamdani weaving butta design, very beautiful, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this brocade work, synthetic material brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4000 for your beautiful, bright, exclusive looks. This one also very nice one, fully designer work, 9JL9 is saree code, 8000 is saree price, very beautiful, exclusive one. Let me open, pure tussar with designer work, cut work with embroidery design, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, beautiful color. And this one is fully designer border, cut work with embroidery design. This one is pure tussar silk with design, very exclusive one, beautiful one, soft, comfortable. This one is pallu end, beautiful designer work. And this one is full base part, is plain with border, designer border, very exclusive one. And this one is running blouse piece, designer work, running blouse piece. This one is border, very beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving polka work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 8400 for your beautiful, bright, exclusive looks, fully designer work. This one also, you know, very beautiful one, beautiful color, royal blue shade with jamdani design, pure resham silk, 9J L10 is sari code, 6700 is sari price, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom, blue shade, royal blue shade with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, pure resham silk, golden zari border, premium quality fine golden zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, very exclusive one, beautiful color. Full base part is heavy jamdani design, fully hand weaving jamdani design, and this one is, you know, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, resham silk with golden zari fine stripes pallu and full base part is beautiful work, fully hand weaving jamdani work, very colorful bright looks, pure resham silk transparent with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design. And I will suggest this bouquet work, heavy bouquet work, shiny contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6900 for your bright, beautiful, exclusive party looks. Very nice one. Also, you know, beautiful one, very elegant combinations and fully designer work, pure tasar with designer work. 9JL11 is saree code, 9000 is saree price, very exclusive one, beautiful work, fully designer piece, and this one is full base part is pure tasar silk with beautiful designer work. This one is, you know, border portions, fine cut work with embroidery design, very beautiful one, contrast color threaded with cut work and design, embroidery design, very exclusive one. This one is beautiful design work. This one is full base part, very exclusive one, pure tasar silk, and this one is, you know, pallu and very beautiful one, beautiful designer work, soft, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom tasar silk with designer work, very beautiful exclusive one. This one is, you know, running blouse piece, fully designed work, and this one is full base part, beautiful cut work with embroidery design, very nice one, pure tasar. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 9400 for your exclusive, beautiful, trendy designer looks. Very beautiful one. And this one also, you know, very bright, beautiful looks. 9JL12 is saree code, 3900 is saree price, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom resham silk by cotton with beautiful weaving border design, tangail weaving design, traditional tangail weaving design. This one is, you know, full base part, blue shade, golden zari weaving polka design, golden zari border, and this one is, you know, beautiful fine golden zari border and beautiful weaving polka design, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully self weaving golden zari self weaving white patch pallu, and this one is border, border is very beautiful one, fully tangail weaving design border. This one is golden zari with beautiful tangail weaving jamdani design border, very exclusive one, beautiful work, and this one is, you know, full base part, pure resham silk by cotton, soft, comfortable, beautiful, elegant looks. Bright also, blue shade with golden zari border and full border portions, tangail weaving jamdani design. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part. And I will suggest this golden brocade contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful, bright, exclusive looks. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4100 for your smart, trendy, bright, exclusive party looks. Also, you know, very beautiful one, bright looks, stripes pattern. 9JL13 is saree code, 2900 is saree price, pure handloom resham silk by Lien weaving, and full base part is beautiful multi-color stripes, very nice one, smart, trendy looks. This one is, you know, full base part, golden zari border This one is golden zari border, and this one is full piece part, multicolor stripes, very smart, trendy, elegant looks. This one is pallu in beautiful stripes pattern, and this one is full piece part, beautiful stripes pattern work, very nice one. This one is full base part, multicolor fine stripes, very smart, elegant looks, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Premium quality pure handloom resham silk by Lane Weaving with multicolor stripes, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy checks with buta, small buta weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3400 for your bright, beautiful, exclusive looks, very nice one. And this one, beautiful designer piece, very nice, beautiful, elegant looks. 9JL14 is saree code, 9800 is saree price, very nice one, beautiful work, fully designer piece, elegant color combinations. Pure tussar silk with beautiful design work. This one is full border portions, heavy cut work with embroidery designer work, beautiful one, soft, comfortable, pure tussar silk with fully designed work. This one is pallu in beautiful designer work, very nice one, cut work with fine cut work with embroidery design, very exclusive one, beautiful color combinations, fully designer work. And this one is full base part, beautiful one, fine border. This one is running blouse piece. This one is full base part, pure tussar silk, and this one is beautiful pallu and border design, very exclusive one, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 10,200, very nice one, beautiful, smart, trendy looks. And today I have did, as I mentioned, very beautiful saree, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka, soft, comfortable, hand spun export quality hand spun matka with double dyne sivori work. Full base part is beautiful double dyne sivori work, and this one is contrast color border, and this one is full base part is double dyne sivori, and this one is resham pallu with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, silver zari weaving jamdani design, very exclusive one. And pallu in this beautiful beads pom pom, very beautiful, smart, elegant looks, soft, comfortable, summer friendly, obviously. 7,500 saree price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.